Hello curious minds, welcome to Fluent Vibes. I am Rubel Ghosh and today I want to share a story about my very first experience speaking in front of the class. And it's a journey from nervousness to confidence. And I think many of you will relate. So it was my first semester in college. Although I am pursuing BSc in mathematics, we had English as an additional subject. I was just sitting at the back of the class thinking I was safe. But then, unluckily, our English ma'am called on me to got up front and introduce myself. I thought no problem, I have got this. I stood up with full confidence and I walked to the front. Suddenly, my mind just went blank. As soon as I got in front of the class, my legs started to shake like I was doing an invisible dance. My mind was empty and all that confidence gone. I somehow managed to say my name. And after that, it was just a lot of I started fumbling over my words. And honestly, it felt like I forgot everything I ever knew. I was just standing there like a deer caught in the headlights. Our ma'am then did something very interesting. She asked the other student to observe me, my body language, my tone. I thought, wow, it's great. Now I am a live experiment. But then she turned to me and said that don't worry, this nervousness will go away with time. Just keep practicing. And that was my very first experience speaking in front of the class. Since then, I have given 3 more presentations. And guess what? Each time I stood in front of the class, I felt a little more confident. A few days ago, I gave a presentation and one of my very close friend made this video. Let's take a look. Announcement tool. So just imagine soft skill as the ingredient that converts a regular work into a masterpiece. Just like adding the perfect spices into a recipe. So coming to the definition of soft skill. Soft skill refers to a set of personal attributes, interpersonal skills, and communication abilities that enables an individual to work harmoniously with others. Now there are some points are written, which is importance of soft skill. So if I take an example, a real life example, so that we all can relate. I hope you found this video, this presentation helpful. As you can see it's not about being perfect right away. My third presentation was not flawless, but it was just a step up from the last one. Now, when I go up to speak, I am not as nervous. But I know still I need more practice. And guys, the important thing is I have learned not to doubt myself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Fluent Vibes. Have you ever had a similar experience? Share it in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. And remember, confidence is just a practice away. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep shining.